When it comes to buying construction management software, there are a few things you need to know before making a decision. With so many options out there, it's easy to feel overwhelmed. But by the end of this video, you'll understand the 12 key factors to consider before pulling the trigger. We're going to break down these points so you can make an informed choice. Let's dive right into it. First thing, ease of use. A good church management software should be user-friendly. If it requires a steep learning curve, you could waste time trying to get things right. Unlike some competitors, this software offers an intuitive interface that even non-technical staff can navigate easily. Next thing, customization. Every church is different, and your software needs to adapt to your specific needs. This tool offers a high degree of customization in areas like event scheduling, donation tracking, and communication preferences. Compare this with some competitors that may offer limited customization, making it harder to tailor the system to your church's workflows. The third thing, integration with other tools. Church management software should seamlessly integrate with other software you already use, like accounting or communication tools. This particular option integrates well with platforms like QuickBooks, MailChimp, and social media, which helps streamline your processes. Some competitors may require you to switch to other tools just to make everything work together. The fourth thing, support. When things go wrong, you'll want reliable customer support. This software provides 24/7 support via chat, phone, and email, and their knowledge base is extensive. Some alternatives have limited hours of support or charge extra for priority help, which can be a deal breaker when you need quick assistance. The fifth thing, pricing. Pricing varies widely in the church management software space. This software is fairly priced, with flexible options that scale with your church size. Some competitors offer lower upfront prices, but then lock you into expensive long-term contracts or hidden fees, making it harder to gauge the true cost. The sixth thing, security. With sensitive member data, you need to make sure the software has robust security. This tool uses industry-standard encryption and secure cloud storage, while some competitors have had security breaches that could put your data at risk. Next, let's talk about data backups. It's essential to have your data backed up regularly, especially when managing finances and personal information. This software offers automatic backups, while some other options might leave you vulnerable by not offering a reliable backup plan. The eighth thing, mobile access. Churches are busy, and being able to access your management tools on the go is crucial. This software offers a mobile app with full functionality, unlike some competitors that offer limited features or a clunky mobile interface. The ninth thing, member engagement. A major advantage of this software is its built-in tools for fostering member engagement, such as event RSVPs, volunteer signups, and donation tracking. Some alternatives fail to offer these features, meaning you'd have to rely on external tools, which can complicate your workflow. The 10th thing, reporting. Tracking growth and managing finances are key to running a church smoothly. This tool has an easy-to-read reporting system that covers everything from attendance to donations. With some competitors, you'll have to manually generate reports, which can be time-consuming and prone to errors. The 11th thing, scalability. As your church grows, so should your software. This church management software offers scalability, allowing you to expand your services and features without having to start over. Many competitors offer limited scalability, forcing you to migrate to a new system as your needs evolve. And the 12th thing, trial and flexibility. This software offers a free trial to let you test it out, which is a great way to make sure it fits your needs before committing. Some competitors don't offer free trials, or their trial periods are too short to truly get a feel for the software. All things considered, this church management software is a solid choice for churches looking to streamline operations. It combines ease of use, customization, and reliability, making it stand out from many competitors. However, if you're looking for something even more streamlined with a better support system and flexibility, check out our recommended solution that you can try for free.